The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the capital investment of my ummah. The capital investment, you know what is capital? Capital in the financial terminology, it means the basic amount that you would invest anywhere, expecting a profit and fearing a loss. If I'm doing a business, suppose I've got $100,000 and I want to do business. This $100,000, if I'm investing somewhere, I have two hopes with me. One, it will bring benefit to me. The other, I fear it, I may suffer a loss. And the Rasul of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he's saying, the capital of my ummah are the youth of the ummah. What does it mean? Can you imagine that? The Prophet is hoping from the youth of this ummah. And what are the youth doing? They are into disco clubs. They are wasting all their time. They have time for soccer. They have time for weekends. They have every other thing. And the Rasul of Allah has a hope with this youth of the ummah. And he says they are the capital of my ummah. What does it mean? If the capital is invested in a wrong place, it brings wrong results. If I invest $100,000 in a liquor shop, what am I spreading in the society? Alcohol. If I invest that $100,000 in a casino, what am I making common for the people? Gambling. If I am spending that $100,000 I am investing in a film industry, what am I doing? I am spreading nudeness. I am spending that $100,000 in a masjid, for an educational institute. So what am I spreading? I am spreading the message of Allah. That also shows what character I have. You know, recently there was a news. There is a news portal called News Shots, and that is an Indian based. And the news was a Pakistani brother. He presented a watch to an Indian Sikh singer in the USA that was worth millions of dollars. He presented a watch worth millions of dollars to a singer on the stage, a Pakistani brother. He is a Pakistani brother. They didn't mention his religion, but as can be perceived, he was the ummati of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Where did he invest that amount? And what is he going to benefit from that amount? So this is the meaning of the hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.